Hi everyone, this is Murthy. Welcome to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's class, you can learn how to find range of trigonometric functions. First, I will explain the concepts which are useful to understand this class. See, range of the trigonometric function a cos x plus b sin x plus c, that is closed interval c minus root a square plus b square comma c plus root a square plus b square. You must remember this. This is very useful. And what is minimum value for this function? That is c minus root a square plus b square. Maximum value for this function, that is c plus root a square plus b square. And also I will use the concept arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean greater than or equal to harmonic mean. And also you know sin x values, that is in between -1 and 1, -1, 1 included, is it? So cos x also same, closed interval -1 to 1, that is range of cos x function, is it? And see here, suppose while solving any question, if you arrive at -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, suppose you have to find x square. You have to find what? X square. So suppose if I take that 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, I want to take x square from this inequation. Then what we do? In general, we go for squaring, is it? Then what we get? 4 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 16, is it? Yes, it is correct. Coming to -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Suppose x square is needed. You have to get x square. So if you go for squaring, then if you take 9 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 4, it is wrong, is it? So what we can get, you try to understand from this. So if you take square of all the values from -3 to 2, here in between we have 0, is it? So x is between -3 and 2 means x equal to 0 also there, is it right? So if you take x square, the first point you have to understand, that is we can get all non-negative values, is it? So we can get the values either 0 or more than 0, that's all, is it right? So here between -3 and 2 we have 0. So for x square, the least value should be anyhow 0 square, that is 0, is it? So you should write 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to, some students they write 2 square 4, that is wrong. So take square of this, square of this. What is the greatest value? You should write at last, is it right? So the greatest value become what? 9 only. So if you go for squaring to this inequation, then you can get what? 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 9. So you don't do this type of simplification, that is wrong, is it? Suppose if it is like this, it's not a problem. So if x is between a negative value and positive value, then by that time you must be very careful. When you take squaring, then the least value should be 0. Why? Because between a negative and positive we have 0. That is the reason the least value of x square must be 0. So 0. The greatest value, it is not only 4. -3 whole square become what? 9. Yes. So the greatest value is what? 9. So 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 9. Is it clear? Coming to the next point, that is, suppose while solving question you arrive at 2 less than or equal to 1 by x less than or equal to 4. Okay. You have to find x value. Find x values. Here we got 1 by x. Then what we do to get x? Just we take reciprocal to that, is it? So take reciprocal to all the values 2 to 4 between, right? So what? 1 by 2. When you take reciprocal, less than become greater than. So greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 1 by 4, is it? Now you write them in reverse order. Then you can get 1 by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by 2. Yes, x belongs to closed interval 1 by 4, closed interval 1 by 2. It is correct. Suppose minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by x less than or equal to 4. Okay. While solving one problem, you arrive at this step. You have to find x value. Is it? So, to find x value, what we do again? We take reciprocal. Some students, they do like this. They will take reciprocals. So, reciprocal to minus 2, minus 1 by 2, greater than or equal to. Why? Because if you take reciprocal, then inequation sign changes. So, greater than or equal to. Reciprocal to 1 by x, x greater than or equal to. Reciprocal to 4, 1 by 4. It is wrong. It is wrong. The reason is, here it is in between negative and positive. So, here we are taking reciprocal means, we are not taking reciprocals to only minus 2 and 4. You should take reciprocal to every number between minus 2 and 4. Is it? So, between minus 2 and 4 is 0 there? Yes. So, blindly if you take reciprocals, that means for 0 also you have taken reciprocal. Is it correct? Can you take reciprocal to 0? No, that is not defined. Is it clear? So that is the reason for this. You split this interval into two intervals, like minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by x is less than 0. Is it? And 0 less than 1 by x less than or equal to 4. Is it? So you split this interval like this. Clear? Now you simplify this. See, in this interval, is 0 there? There is no 0. So can I take reciprocal now? Yes, I can take reciprocal. Take it. So if you take reciprocal to these values, this become what? Minus 1 by 2. Less than become greater than or equal to. 1 by x become x greater than. Is it? See here, x is approaching to 0 from negative side. X is approaching to 0 from negative side. Then, so limit extends to 0 minus 1 by x. Is it? So x approaching to 0 from negative side. So is it minus infinity? Yes, it is minus infinity. Don't confuse. Minus infinity. Okay. And if you take reciprocals to this, see here, it is 0 to 4. So if you take reciprocal to this, means here is it 0 plus or 0 minus? Yes, here it is 0 plus. So limit extends to 0 plus 1 by x. That approaches to infinity. Is it? So that is infinity. Less than become greater than. 1 by x become x greater than or equal to 1 by 4. Is it clear? So answer to this, that is what? Here you write them in reverse order. Is it? Then you can get what? Minus infinity less than x less than or equal to minus 1 by 2. And what we get here? 1 by 4 less than or equal to x less than infinity. Is it clear? So you give the answer. What is it? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 4 to infinity. So x values are minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 4 to infinity. Is it clear? See, while solving any question, suppose if you arrive at 2 less than x less than 4 or 2 less than 1 by x less than 4, you have to find the values of x. Okay, to get values of x, what we do? We take reciprocals to all these values. Is it? Then what we get? 1 by 2 less than become greater than x greater than 1 by 4. Is it? Now you write them in reverse order. 1 by 4 less than x less than 1 by 2. So answer to this problem is x belongs to open 1 by 4 open 1 by 2. It is the answer. Is it? Suppose while solving a question, if you arrive at minus 2 less than or equal to x, 1 by x less than or equal to 1 by x less than or equal to 4. You have to find x values. Okay, so some students, they may take reciprocals directly and they can give answer like this: minus 1 by 2 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 1 by 4. It is completely wrong. Reason is, you observe that between minus 2 and 4 is 0 there. Here we are taking reciprocals, means we are taking reciprocals to every value between minus 2 and 4. But between minus 2 and 4 is 0 there? Yes. Can you take reciprocal to 0? No. So here you split this interval into two parts. So the first part is minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by x less than 0. This is one part. Okay. And the second part is 0 less than 1 by x less than or equal to 4. So 0 is neglected from that. Why? Because we are unable to take reciprocal to 0. Is it clear? Now you take reciprocal. Okay. See, here if you take reciprocal to these values, here it is minus 1 by 2. Less than become greater than or equal to. 1 by x become x. Less than become greater than. Now here 0. We don't give 0 directly, is it? So it is approaching to 0. Approaching to 0. So x approaching to 0. Then what about that 1 by x? Approaching to 0 from left hand side or right hand side? Observe all these values. Negative values or positive values? Yes, these are all between minus 2 and 0, means all are negative. So here you get infinity. What infinity you get? Is it plus infinity or minus infinity? Here all are negative values, so you can get minus infinity. Don't confuse. Now you take them in reverse order. You get minus infinity, greater than become less than, x greater than become less than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Coming to this. Now here also you take reciprocals. So here you observe that all are positive. So if you take reciprocal, that it approaches to what? Infinity, positive infinity. This time all are positive, na? Here all are negative. That is the reason I have taken minus infinity. Don't confuse. So positive infinity greater than x greater than or equal to 1 by 4. Can I write it as 1 by 4 less than or equal to x less than infinity? Yes. So x values minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. Union 1 by 4 to infinity. Is it clear? So you don't commit this type of mistake when you get 1 by x is in between a negative and positive number. Suppose this 1 by x is between two positive numbers, it's not a problem. Directly you can take reciprocal. But here it is wrong. I think you understand the reason. Is it clear? Coming to first example. Find range of this function. Observe this function. Is it like a cos x plus b sin x plus c? For this, what is range? It is closed interval c minus root a square plus b square c plus root a square plus b square. Is it? So you can tell that here there is no constant term, that is 0. Is it? So range equal to closed interval c is 0 minus root a square plus b square. What is a? 1 square. B square 2 root 2 whole square. Is it? Same. 0 plus root 1 square plus 2 root 2 whole square. Is it? So what is the answer? Can you tell? 2 root 2 whole square is 8. 8 plus 1 9. Root 9. It is 3. So minus 3. Here it is plus 3. So range of this function is closed interval minus 3 3. What is minimum value of this function? Minus 3. Maximum value of this function? It is 3. Is it? Coming to this, you have to find range of this function. It is also like a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Is it? So here what is a? 13. What is b? It is 3 root 3. What is c? It is minus 4. You find c minus root a square plus b square first. What is C? Minus 4 minus root a square plus b square. Okay. What is a square? 169 plus. What is b square? It is 27. So minus 4 minus root. What is 169 plus 27? 196. It is 14. So minus 4 minus 14. It is minus 18. Is it? Coming to c plus root a square plus b square. So what you get? C minus 4 plus same value you can get. Root 196. What is it? It is 14. Is it? 14 minus 4. It is 10. What is the minimum value of this function? Minus 18. What is maximum value of this function? It is 10. Clear? So what is range of this function? Closed interval minus 18 to 10. This is range of this function. Is it clear? Coming to this. Range of 3 by 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 19. So here the function, first we consider only this function. Okay? Na? Suppose I am taking that. This entire function is f of x, suppose. Okay? So first we find this. Now here you see that for 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 9, a cos x plus b sin x plus c. A what? Minus 12. B is what? It is 5. C is what? It is 19. So you find range of this. So range of this function only. Okay? Right. Now you can tell. What is it? That is c minus root a square plus b square. What is c? 19 minus root a square plus b square. 144 plus 25. Is it? And c plus, so 19 plus root a square plus b square. What is it? 144 plus 25 again. Is it? Okay. We do the simplification. What is root 144 plus 25? 169. What is root 169? It is 13. Is it? So 19 minus 13. What? 6. 19 plus 13. Is it? What is it? It is 32. So we got range of only this. It is 6 to 32. Is it? So we got 6 less than or equal to this function. What is it? 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 19 less than or equal to 32. Is it clear? But we want this. Is it? 3 by this function. Take reciprocal. 1 by 6 greater than or equal to 1 by that 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 19 greater than or equal to 1 by 32. Is it? Now you multiply this with what? 3. Then you can get the given function. Is it? So multiply with 3. You get 3 by 6. Is it? So 3 by 6 greater than or equal to 3 by this function means is it f of x then? Greater than or equal to 3 by 32. Write them in reverse order. 3 by 32 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 3 by 6. Is it 1 by 2? Yes, it is 1 by 2. So what is range of given function? Given function is between 3 by 32 and 1 by 2. So closed interval 3 by 32 to closed interval 1 by 2. See, I have taken reciprocal directly. Why? Because this is in between two positive values. So it is not a problem. Is it clear? We have to find range of log root 2 into sin x minus cos x plus 3 base root 5. See here, first we find all these values and then we think about the logarithm function. Already I have done one video how to find range of logarithm functions. So once you go through that video, I give that link in description. Once you go through that, you can get the more clarity. See, first we find the values of this, I mean range of this. So for this, it is minus root 2 cos x plus root 2 sin x plus 3. It is like a cos x plus b sin x plus c. What is a? Here a is minus root 2, b is root 2 and c is 3. Is it? So now you tell that what is the range? That is range closed interval c minus root a square plus b square c plus root a square plus b square. Is it? So what is this? C is 3 minus root a square plus b square. What is it? So root 2 plus 2. C, that is 3, is it? Plus root 2 plus 2. Clear? Is it 2? Yes. So closed interval. 3 minus, it is root 4, it is 2. 3 minus 2, 1, comma. 3 plus, it is also 2, right? So what is it? It is 5. Okay. So this is closed 1 to 5. Clear? Okay. Now you observe the base of logarithm function. What is base of logarithm function? Root 5. Is it more than 1? Yes, base is more than 1. So is log increasing function? Yes, it is increasing function. So log is increasing function here. So if log is increasing function here, what are the inputs we are taking? These values, is it? This is input, is it? So what about these values? 1 to 5, is it? It is increasing function. Increasing function means minimum edges set 1, maximum edges set 5. Is it clear? Right. So range equal to closed interval log least value for this. What is it? 1. So log 1 to the base root 5, comma. Greatest value, it is 5. So log 5 to the base root 5. Is it clear? What is log 1? Yes, you know log 1 is 0. I can write that log 5 to the base root 5 as 5 to the base 5 power 1 by 2. Is it? Now we can take it as 1 by 1 by 2 log 5 to the base 5. It is 1. So 1 by 1 by 2. What is it? It is 2. Is it? So range of given function is closed interval 0 comma 2. See, coming to this, we have to find range of this function 1 by 2 cos x plus 5. Listen carefully. We know about cos x. We have minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. Is it? So here what we have? 2 cos x. So multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. Is it? What we get, you see? Minus 2 less than or equal to 2 cos x less than or equal to 2. Here we have 2 cos x plus 5, right? So add 5. So if you add 5 to this, what we get? Minus 2 plus 5. So that is 3 less than or equal to 2 cos x plus 3, 5, sorry, less than or equal to 2 plus 5. What is it? It is 7. Is it? We want 1 by 2 cos x plus 5 values, right? Take reciprocal. Observe this. It is positive. This is also positive. So directly you can take reciprocal. 1 by 3. Less than become greater than or equal to 1 by 2 cos x plus 5 greater than or equal to 1 by 7. Is it clear? Now you write them in reverse order. So 1 by 7 greater than become less than or equal to, this is the given function, less than or equal to 1 by 3. Is it clear? Yes. So given function is between 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. So range of given function, that is closed interval 1 by 7, closed interval 1 by 3. Is it clear? Right. Coming to next. Here range of 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Similar type. See. First, minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. Here we have 2 cos x. Multiply this with 2. What we get, you see? Minus 2 less than or equal to 2 cos x less than or equal to 2. We want 2 cos x minus 1. So add minus 1. What we get, you see? That is minus 3 less than or equal to 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 1. It is 1. Is it? We want 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Is it? So you take reciprocal. But 1 minute. Observe this. It is in between negative and positive. So blindly can you take reciprocal? No, we know that. Why? Because between negative and positive 0 there. We can't take reciprocal to 0, is it? That is the reason. We split this interval into 2 intervals. That is minus 3 less than or equal to 2 cos x minus 1 less than 0. It is one case, and 0 less than 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. That is the other case. Now can you take reciprocal? Yes. So all negatives only here, is it? So take reciprocal. Minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to. Reciprocal to this. 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 greater than. By 0. So approaching to 0. Is it positive infinity or negative infinity? Observe all the values. See, minus 3 to 0 means all are negatives only, is it? So you take minus infinity. Don't confuse. Clear? Now take them in reverse order. So minus infinity greater than become less than f of x less than or equal to minus 1 by 3. Is it clear? So it is over. Coming to this case. Again you take reciprocals. Again I get the doubt. Positive infinity or negative infinity? Observe all the values. All are positives only. 0 to 1 means all are positives only. So you take here, after taking reciprocals, positive infinity greater than 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 1, that is 1. Is it? Write in reverse order. 1 less than or equal to f of x less than infinity. Is it? Now give the final answer. So f of x values. So range equal to minus infinity to closed interval minus 1 by 3 union closed interval 1 to infinity. So this is range of given function. You try to understand the difference between these two examples. That's why I have chosen these two. Clear? See, coming to this, range of 3 cos 4x minus 5 plus 4. Observe this. Anyhow it is cos function. So we know that cos is in between minus 1 and 1. So cos 4x minus 5 also in between minus 1 and 1. Why? Because it is a cos function. Multiply this with what? 3. So we get minus 3 less than or equal to 3 cos 4x minus 5 less than or equal to 3. We want 3 cos 4x minus 5 plus 4. Is it? So add 4. What we get? That is minus 3 plus 4. It is 1 less than or equal to 3 cos 4x minus 5 plus 4 less than or equal to 3 plus 4, it is 7. Is it clear? So this function, that is the given function, between 1 and 7. So can you tell what is range of this function? Closed interval 1 to closed interval 7. Is it clear? In exams directly you can tell that. See, is it cos function? What is the maximum value of cos function? 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Yes, greatest 7. What is least value of cos function? Minus 1. So it is 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4. What is it? That is 1. So least value is 1. Clear? Coming to this function, you have to find maximum of this. See, if it is like a cos x plus b sin x plus c, then we can write what is minimum and what is maximum. Listen carefully. We have the formula cos square theta, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Is it? And also we have formula for sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. And also we have the formula 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Listen carefully. Now 2 cos square theta. Instead of 2 cos square theta, can I take 1 plus cos 2 theta? Yes, it is 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root 5 into, see, sin theta cos theta. Is sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta by 2? Yes, it is sin 2 theta by 2. So root 5 sin 2 theta by 2 plus 4 into. Observe this. Sin square theta. What is sin square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Is it clear? So here 2 2s are 4. Okay, what we got, you write them now. See, that is equal to, here we have cos 2 theta. Here we have minus 2 cos 2 theta. So minus cos 2 theta plus root 5 by 2 sin 2 theta. Is it? And now constant. Here 1 we have. In this we have 2. 1 plus 2, it is 3. That's all. Observe this. Now is it like a cos x plus b sin x plus c? Yes, it is like a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Yes, you can tell that. What is maximum value for a cos x plus b sin x plus c? It is c plus root a square plus b square. What is c here? That is 3 plus root a square plus b square. What is a? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole square. 1 plus b square. What is b? Root 5 by 2. What is root 5 by 2 whole square? It is 5 by 4. Is it? So what is it? 3 plus. It is 9 by 4. Root 9 by 4. Clear? So what is root 9 by 4? It is 3 by 2. Is it? So it is 3 by 2. So 6 plus 3. What? 9 by 2. So what is the maximum value for this? That is 9 by 2. Is it clear? See, coming to next one. Here you observe that 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x. You have to find range of this function. Observe the terms tan square x, cot square x. Are they reciprocal to each other? Yes, we know cot x is 1 by tan x. They are reciprocals to each other. By that time, you apply the concept arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. So here you see that. So one term is 9 tan square x and other term is 16 cot square x. So you apply this concept. What we get you see, that is 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x by 2. Is it? Arithmetic mean a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to geometric mean, that is root ab. Is it? What is that? That is 9 tan square x into 16 cot square x. Is it? So what you see, that is 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x by 2 is greater than or equal to tan x into cot x. What is it? That is 1. 9 into 16. What is this? 144. What is root 144? It is 12. Is it? So 12. So what we got you see, that is 9 tan square x plus 16 cot square x greater than or equal to 12 into 2, it is 24. Is it clear? So all these values are 24 or more than 24. So can you tell what is the range of given function? Closed interval 24 to infinity. Is it clear? Right. Coming to this. A square secant square x plus b square cosecant square x. You have to find range of this function. Secant square, cosecant square, not reciprocals, is it? So we do one thing. I can write it as a square into 1 plus tan square x. Is it? Secant square x is 1 plus tan square x. And b square into 1 plus cot square x. So finally what we got here, you observe a square plus b square. Is it? Plus a square tan square x plus b square cot square x. Is it clear? Right. Now you apply arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean between these two. Is it? So you take these two separately. So this is the total function f of x. So just I am considering a square tan square x b square cot square x. Apply arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. What is arithmetic mean here? A plus b by 2. That is a square tan square x plus b square cot square x by 2 greater than or equal to. Geometric mean, it is root over a square tan square x into b square cot square x. Is it? Right. Now here you see that tan x into cot x, that is 1. Root a square into b square, that is ab. Is it? So we got a square tan square x plus b square cot square x greater than or equal to, here we have only ab and multiplied with 2, that is 2ab. Is it? But the actual function is this plus a square plus b square. So add a square plus b square on both sides. So add a square plus b square. What we get? If you add a square plus b square on both sides, we get left hand side given function, that is f of x, is greater than or equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Is it? Right. Can you tell what is range now? Range is, see, minimum value is this, is it? So is it a plus b whole square? Yes, a plus b whole square. It is greater than or equal to a plus b whole square. So minimum a plus b whole square to infinity. So range of this function is closed interval a plus b whole square to infinity. My dear students, hope you understood this concept. Share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you.